In this video, we're going to be using open fifths in both hands on the white keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This sort of hand position, one finger per key, but we're not going to use the middle fingers, just thumbs and fifth finger. And we're going to be in the same position. We're going to parallel positions as we move up and down the keyboard. Now, the difference between the two hands, this hand will be doing block open fifths. This hand is going to be doing broken open fifths, going up. And when we get to an octave above, middle C in this case, we're going to play this one a second time, but top note down. And then come down the various hand positions one at a time. So this one is block, this one is broken. Together though, we're going to go slow. And then reverse the direction in the right hand. If it was faster, great way to get used to that open fifth sound, so it's good ear training, but also that the open fifth feel to the hand, both block and broken. Great for muscle memory. Give that a shot, beginners.